How do I get user IP address in Django? How do I get user's IP in Django? I have a view like this. But I get this error.
Make sure you have reverse proxy, if any, configured correctly, for example mod_RP if installed for Apache. Note, the above uses the first item in X forwarded for, but you might want to use the last item, for example, in the case of Heroku, get client's real IP address on Heroku. And then just pass the request as argument to it. Django documentation for request.meta.
You can use Django IPware, which supports Python 2 and 3 and handles IP4 and IP6. Install. Pip install Django IPware. Simple usage. Advanced usage. Custom header, custom request header for IPware to look at. Proxy count, Django server is behind a fixed number of proxies. Trusted proxies, Django server is behind one or more known and trusted proxies. Note, read this notice.
Alexander's answer is great, but lacks the handling of proxies that sometimes return multiple IPs in the http_x_forwarded_ for header. The real IP is usually at the end of the list, as explained here, this URL. The solution is a simple modification of Alexander's code.
No more confusion. In the recent versions of Django it is mentioned clearly that the IP address of the client is available at. For more info check the Django docs.
I would like to suggest an improvement to Yankenko's answer. Instead of taking the first IP in the x_forwarded_ for list, I take the first one which is not a known internal IP, as some routers don't respect the protocol, and you can see internal IPs as the first value of the list. I hope this helps fellow Googlers who have the same problem.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.